Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage to your Thai Lion Air booking. First, open your browser and go to lionairthai.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll down and click on Manage Booking. Here, you can either log in to your account or select Retrieve Booking, PNR number, and last name. Once your flight details appear, select your flight and click Purchase Add-ons. From there, choose Extra Baggage and pick the weight you need. Proceed to payment, confirm your purchase, and that's it. Your baggage allowance will be updated. And that's how to add extra baggage to your Thai Lion Air booking. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.